Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham and Day. I'm going to take just a second to talk about a huge issue. I could spend hours really talking about this, and I'll try and make some additional material for YouTube so you can get on there, take a look and see. But the issue is a father's rights when the parents are not married, okay? Many states, including Oklahoma, have adopted the Uniform Parentage Act. The Uniform Parentage Act says, hey, if a child is born out of wedlock, custody initially is with mom until a court of competent jurisdiction determines otherwise. Essentially what that means is, Dad, you have rights. You've got to come in and establish that you are dad. Now, there are a couple mechanisms by which you can do this, but you still have to bring the issue before the court, a court of competent jurisdiction, so that they may determine custody, right? So, children born out of wedlock, default custody to mom, 10A, section 7800, right? Default custody to mom. The way that you can prove that you're dad. You can come in and say you signed an acknowledgement of paternity. Be great if you had a copy of that. Your name's on the birth certificate. You and mom lived together for a couple of years. You held yourself out as dad. You acted as dad, okay? And there are a couple other mechanisms by which you can be declared the father and adjudicated to be the father. But you have to bring the issue before the court so that you can be adjudicated. If you're a dad who has a kid born out of wedlock, you sign an acknowledgement of paternity at the hospital, get a copy of the acknowledgement of paternity, keep that with you, okay? Give it to your attorney so that they've got it. If you find yourself in a situation like this where you are a dad of a child born out of wedlock and you're like, I don't know what to do, give us a call today. We handle it every single day, 918-307-1529, or you can visit our website, www.pdtulsalaw.com, for more information. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons, Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.